In the heart of a vibrant African kingdom, a young boy named Kofi thrived amidst the rich culture and traditions of his people. His spirit was as wild and free as the savannah itself. He had dreams of becoming a great leader, much like his father, a respected chief in their tribe. However, fate took an unexpected turn when raiders attacked their village, capturing Kofi and many others, chaining them for a harrowing journey across the vast sea. He found himself in a world unknown, stripped of his identity, and forced into a life of servitude. Kofi's resilience and unwavering spirit didn't wane despite the hardships. His eyes held the fire of his homeland, and his heart carried the rhythm of his people. In the darkest of times, he clung to the memories of his family, the stories of his ancestors, and the dreams of a liberated future. Years passed, and Kofi's strength of character did not go unnoticed. His determination to survive and thrive caught the attention of a sympathetic soul, George, who, despite being part of the same system, recognized Kofi's leadership qualities and admired his unyielding spirit. George, too, had experienced the cruelty of bondage but had found a way to navigate within the confines of his reality. He began to guide Kofi, teaching him the language and the customs of this new world. Their relationship blossomed beyond the constraints of their circumstances, fostering a bond that transcended their roles. Their shared aspiration for freedom burned brighter each passing day. They whispered about plans to escape, to reclaim their stolen liberty and rewrite their destinies. Together, they ignited a quiet rebellion among their fellow captives, instilling hope and courage. As fate would have it, an opportunity for liberation finally presented itself. With hearts pounding and courage steadying their nerves, Kofi and George led a daring escape. Through forests, rivers, and unknown terrains, they traversed, always looking ahead to the horizon that promised freedom. The journey was arduous, but their determination to reclaim their stolen dignity propelled them forward. After trials and tribulations, they reached a community of free people who welcomed them with open arms. Kofi and George found solace in this new land, rebuilding their lives and contributing their strengths to the community. Kofi's dream of leadership didn't die in bondage, it thrived in his new reality. He became a beacon of resilience, an embodiment of hope for those who had also endured the horrors of slavery. George, too, found purpose in helping others and navigate the complexities of their newfound freedom, embracing the responsibility to advocate for justice and equality. Their story became a legend, echoing through generations, a testament to the unwavering spirit and unbreakable will of those who fought for their freedom, inspiring hope in the hearts of many. This story is a portrayal of resilience, the power of friendship, and the unyielding spirit of those who endured the inhumane experiences of slavery.